Hi friends, welcome to our channel YouTube. IKEA Click and Collect not working or unavailable. This video will show you how to track the status of your local IKEA Click and Collect, so you can place a successful order. This can be great for anyone currently unable to place an IKEA Click and Collect order because it is temporarily unavailable or all of the slots have been filled for the day. Now we give you a tool that tracks the availability of IKEA Click and Collect for all IKEA stores in Canada and the US. This tracker lets you subscribe for Click and Collect availability alerts. Here are the steps to get a successful IKEA Click and Collect order.